In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the undo function in Excel. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to brush up on your Excel skills, or a beginner just starting, this guide will walk you through the process of undoing actions in Excel, ensuring that you can work efficiently and correct any mistakes with ease. Let's start by accessing Excel. If you don't have it installed on your computer, no worries. Microsoft offers a free version of Excel Online. Simply search for free Microsoft 365 Online and select the official Microsoft link. This version provides you with many of the functionalities found in the desktop version, all from the convenience of your browser. Once you've navigated to the site, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that. It's important to sign in so that all your work gets saved automatically to your Microsoft account, ensuring that none of your efforts are lost. You might be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type it in the field provided. Sometimes these details can be a bit fiddly, so double check that you've entered everything correctly before you proceed. After typing in your email, you'll be asked to hit next. This leads you to enter your password. Remember, it's crucial to keep your password secure and not share it with anyone. You may also encounter additional authentication steps depending on your account's security settings. Once you're signed in, Microsoft will redirect you to a dashboard where you can access Excel among other applications. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be working with an example Excel file. There are numerous sample files available online, or you might already have one ready to go. Opening the example file is the first real step into exploring the functional depth of Excel, especially concerning the undo feature. Now here's where the magic happens. Say you've made an entry or formatted a cell and suddenly realize it's not what you wanted. Fear not, Excel comes equipped with a powerful undo feature that lets you revert your actions just like that. Located at the top of the Excel interface, you'll spot the undo icon, a curved arrow pointing to the left. A simple click on this icon will undo your last action, but perhaps you prefer keyboard shortcuts for efficiency. Excel has you covered there as well. By pressing the Control key or Command key on Mac along with the letter Z's, you can undo an action just as easily. These undo functionalities are incredibly useful, but it's worth noting that Excel will only remember a finite number of your most recent actions. This means if you go too far back in making changes, you might not be able to undo all of them. Additionally, the undo feature is highly versatile. Not only can you undo simple actions like typing or deletion, but also more complex operations like formatting, moving data, and even some aspects of macro execution. This makes it a critical tool for anyone working in Excel, as it allows for experimentation without fear of making irreversible mistakes. Remember, undoing actions in Excel is a fundamental skill that can significantly improve your workflow and efficiency. By following these steps and tips, you'll be able to navigate Excel with greater confidence and agility. Whether you're analyzing data, managing budgets, or just organizing information, knowing how to quickly correct your mistakes will keep your projects moving smoothly and efficiently. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on the task at hand rather than worrying about accidentally making a mistake that can't be fixed. Excel's undo feature is there to back you up, giving you the freedom to explore all of its functionalities without hesitation. That wraps up our tutorial on how to use the undo feature in Excel. I hope you found this information helpful and feel more comfortable navigating and utilizing Excel's undo functionality. Remember, the more you practice, the more efficient you'll become. Happy excelling!